Alright folks, let's talk about something that's probably sitting in your garage collecting dust: old lead batteries. These heavy, cumbersome items often get shoved into a corner and forgotten, but did you know they could be a hidden treasure trove? That's right. You can actually make money from these bad boys. Imagine turning what you thought was junk into a little extra cash. Intrigued? You should be. Yep, you heard me right. Today I'm going to show you how to turn that junk into cash. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about safety first. Dealing with lead batteries can be hazardous, so make sure you're wearing gloves, goggles, and a mask. Lead and battery acid are no joke, folks. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Collection. Reach out to your friends, family, and local businesses. You'd be surprised how many people have old batteries lying around just waiting to be disposed of. Many people are happy to get rid of their old batteries, and some might even pay you to take them away. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Create a network and build a little stockpile. The more batteries you collect, the more money you can potentially make. Step 2. Sorting and storing. This is a crucial step to ensure you get the most out of your collection. Keep your batteries in a cool, dry place and make sure they're not leaking. Leaking batteries can be dangerous and reduce their value. Separate those that are still functional from the completely dead ones. This will help you maximize your profits. Some might still have life left in them and can be sold as is. Step 3. Selling. You've got options here, and each has its own set of advantages. First, check out local scrapyards and recycling centers. These places are often eager to take lead batteries off your hands. They often pay by weight, and lead is heavy, so you can get a decent chunk of change. The heavier the battery, the more money you make. Don't forget to shop around for the best rates. Different places offer different prices, so a little research can go a long way. Another avenue is online marketplaces. The internet is a vast place, and there's always someone looking for a deal. Websites like eBay or Craigslist can be gold mines for selling functional batteries. Just make sure to take good photos and write detailed descriptions. Clearly state their condition and be honest about any wear and tear. Buyers appreciate transparency, and it can lead to better reviews and more sales. Step 4. Recycling programs. Some companies and auto shops have buyback programs. These programs are designed to make recycling easy and profitable. They'll pay you for used batteries and handle the recycling themselves. It's a hassle-free way to get rid of a large number of batteries. This is often the easiest and quickest way to offload a large number. And finally, consider refurbishing. This step is for those who are a bit more hands-on. If you're handy, you can refurbish old batteries and sell them at a higher price. Refurbishing can breathe new life into old batteries and significantly increase their value. There are plenty of tutorials online to guide you through the process. With a little effort, you can turn a dead battery into a valuable commodity. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to turning old lead batteries into cash. Collect, sort, sell, and recycle. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to making some extra money. Not only are you making some extra cash, but you're also doing a good deed for the environment. It's a win-win. Recycling helps reduce waste and keeps harmful materials out of landfills. Got any tips or tricks on recycling lead batteries? We'd love to hear from you. Drop them in the comments below. Sharing your experiences can help others in the community, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content.